by using the properties of definite integral, evaluate the integral. So we have 0 to pi by 2 cos square x into dx. Your clue to think over this is pi by 2 and this being cos square. Okay, your next clue is something over here. I'll come back. So here, next clue would be something to do with trigonometric identity. Yes, we'll make use of cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. How will we make use of it? How will we get cos? See, we have cos square x. Somehow if I get sin square x and if I add them and all of that, we'll get the answer. Okay, how will I convert this with all of this set of integrals? Using this, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth property. So, integration of a to b f of x dx is same as integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So we need to write the property. They mention the number, but my suggestion is write the property of. So we'll end up with cos square of, wherever x is there, what we have to do? We have to write it as pi by 2 plus 0 minus x dx. So this would be integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. Now, what is the next step? What do you think we should have? See, I started the conversation with having the identity. How can I get the identity over here? That's your clue. Yes, we can make use of equation 1 plus 2. So if I do that, 2i will be equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2, and in both we have the same integration, is it not? So this is a property of integration, distributive property. We have seen this. So this is 1, and so your integration becomes it became so simple. See that, right? Then you can write the identity. I'm not going to write because already written. So basically this is going to be pi by 2, and remember this is 2i, so I will be equal to pi by 4. That's your answer. Okay, so let's have a view of this graphically. As you can see, we have 0 to, well, we can't see actually. This would be pi by 2. If we zoom in, we'll get to see that. (1.4-ish), 1.54-ish it would be there. Next thing is we need to, so graphically this is how it looks, cos square of x, this is how it looks, and in that final answer is 0.79. So if I take up the calculator, 3.14 divided by 4, 0.785. Of course we get an approximate answer because this is extra, right? It's going out. If I make the steps smaller and smaller, then yeah, it would be better. And so this is our answer.